Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best HELIMIX 1.5 Vortex blender shaker bottle. If you're someone who loves protein shakes, smoothies, or even cocktails, then you know how important it is to have a shaker that delivers a perfect mix every time. The HELIMIX 20 ounces bottle promises to do just that, and more. What sets the HELIMIX apart is its patented Vortex blender design. Unlike traditional shaker bottles that rely on blending balls or whisks, the HELIMIX uses a Vortex mixing technology. That creates a whirlpool effect, ensuring that your powders and supplements dissolve smoothly, without any clumps or mess. The design is incredibly efficient, and it works with ease for both small and larger quantities of liquids, so you can prepare your shakes in just seconds. The bottle is made from durable, shatter-proof Triton plastic, which is also BPA and BPS-free. This makes it both safe and long-lasting, meaning you won't have to worry about any lingering smells or breakage. The plastic is odor-resistant, which ensures that the taste of your shakes remains fresh with every use. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning it a breeze. No more scraping out sticky residues or soaking it for hours. One of the standout features of this shaker is its leak-proof design. Whether you're shaking up a pre-workout mix or your favorite smoothie, you can rest assured that this bottle won't leak in your gym bag or while you're on the go. The sturdy loop handle makes it easy to carry around, and it fits conveniently into most car cup holders, making it a perfect travel companion. What's also great about the HELIMIX 20 is how versatile it is. It can handle not just protein shakes and smoothies, but also your pre-workout drinks, or even cocktails if you're in the mood for a refreshing beverage. It can handle anything from 4 ounces to 14 ounces of liquid and still stay compact enough for easy portability. So, if you're tired of shaker bottles with those annoying blending balls or whisk attachments, the HELIMIX 20 Vortex blender is definitely worth considering. It's not only easy to use, but it's also built to last, making it a top pick for anyone serious about their fitness routine or just looking for a hassle-free way to enjoy their favorite drinks. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching.